Hello, students. The topic of the speech is Independence Day. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my friends. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. This day reminds us of the brave freedom fighters who gave everything for our country. Leaders like Gandhiji, Maulana Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, and others showed true courage to make India free. Now, we must follow their path and become good citizens. Today, India is one of the biggest democracies in the world. We make fast trains, rockets, and even help other countries. We are proud to be Indians. Let's keep India clean, green, and full of peace. May our flag always fly high. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. Happy 79th Independence Day once again.
Don't forget to subscribe.